Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add category menu in Wix. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to make sure that you have a blog. Now from in there, click on this add elements. And then under the elements tab, you should be able to see the blog right here. Now under the blog, you should be able to see some post lists and also all of this right here. You can see here the category menu. Now under the category menu, you just need to look for the one that you want. So for me, I'll just use this one and I will drag it onto one of my actual categories webpage. And then I will just hover it over this specific thing right here. And if you want, you can also just move it wherever you want. Now in here, I have category, which is all posts and kids toys. So in order to manage those categories, you should be able to head over to your Wix dashboard right here. And then under the blog, you should be able to see in here the categories. Now under the categories, as you can see, it will load and we have here categories for all posts and kids toys, which then reflects to this category menu on our website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add category menu in Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.